Did you block an email address on your iPhone in the heat of the moment, and now you actually need to hear from that person? Don't worry, we've all been there, and reversing it is incredibly easy. I'm going to show you exactly how to find your block list and remove them in just a few taps. But make sure you stick around till the end of the video because there's one sneaky reason why you still might not get their emails even after you do this. First, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap on Apps. Scroll down until you find Phone. I know it sounds weird, we're looking for an email address, but trust me on this and tap on it. Scroll down again and tap on blocked contacts. Now you're going to see a massive list of phone numbers, but if you keep scrolling, you actually find all the email addresses you actually blocked right at the bottom. To unblock someone, simply swipe left on their email and tap the red unblock button. Just like that, your phone will let their message through again. Now for the crucial warning I mentioned earlier. Doing this unblocks a person on your Apple device. However, if you originally blocked them through a third-party email provider like Gmail, Yahoo, or Outlook, that service's servers might still be blocking them independently of your iPhone. So if you unblock them here, you're still not seeing their message, you need to log into your actual Gmail or Outlook account on a browser and check your block list there too. If this video saved you a headache today, hit that like button and subscribe for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.